Hello my loves, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how I created this makeup look right here. For today's video I use a new eyeshadow palette that's new in my makeup collection. I did use the Urban Decay Naked Cherry palette. I absolutely love this eyeshadow palette so much. So here's the palette inside. You do get 12 beautiful eyeshadow colors. It's a mixture of both matte and shimmer shades. So I'm just going to show you guys a little bit closer. That's how it looks like. I absolutely love how this look came out, guys. For today's makeup tutorial, it's not a full tutorial where I show you all the products that I use. In today's video, I just focused on showing you how I created this eye look. If you want to know what other products I used on my face, just go to the description box and all the products will be listed there and all other information. Also, can we just take a moment and obsess a little bit over this pink lip? I love it. It's like an intense pink color, but I'm really digging it for this look. Okay, I'll quickly tell you what lipstick I used. It was the Revlon lipstick called Pink Promise, which looks like that. I'll show you guys. It's like a really pretty bubblegum pink, if that makes any sense. I think it's just like so cute. And then I did put lip gloss on top. I used the Maybelline Color Sensational High Shine Lip Gloss in the shade Electric Shock. So they're pretty much the same shade of pink, and I think they just pair so well together. All right, so if you guys want to see how I created this eye look that I'm wearing right now, then keep on watching. Alright y'all, so I just finished prepping my skin. I did moisturize my face using the Olay Luminous Whip Foundation with SPF 25. And I did prime my face as well using my favorite face primer by Morphe. It's the Equalizer Face Primer by Morphe. I feel like I'm just like saying Morphe. Okay, so it's time to prime the eyelids. I'm going to be using my go-to eye primer from the drugstore. It's the Essence I Love Stage Eyeshadow Base. Okay, so now it's important to set that eyeshadow base. I'm going to now go into the Naked Cherry eyeshadow palette. So the first shade that I'm going to be using is called Caution, which looks just like that. And I'm just going to use that shade to set the base. I'm using a long eyeshadow brush. It's by a brand that's sold at Shoppers Drug Mart. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. I think it's Q or Quo. Okay, so now we're going to go into a transition shade to start building on our crease. I'm going to go into this really light pink, like a blush color called Juicy. I'm using one of my bigger blending brushes just to get that shade into the crease, and this is also by the brand Q or Quo. I hope I'm saying it right, but these are really great eyeshadow brushes to use. I like to bring up the first shade towards the brow bone area, blending it upwards. Okay, so now I'm going to just deepen up the crease a little bit. I'm going to go into this shade called Feels. So it's a touch darker than the first shade that we went into. I'm going to be using the same eyeshadow brush and just start deepening up that crease a little bit more. I'm using a light hand so I have full control of how much goes on my into the crease. I'm gonna go back into that first shade called Juicy and just blend out the edge between the two shades. Okay, so now we're gonna deepen up the outer part of our eyelid. I'm gonna go into the darkest shade in the palette called Privacy, which looks just like that. Okay, so I'm going to be using a really small blending brush because I really want to pack the color on first, and I'm going to go into a bigger blending brush afterwards to blend it out. As you can see, we are just sticking to the outer part of the eyelid. We're not going towards the inner part, just staying in the outer part of the eyelid. I'm going to take just a bigger blending brush and just blend out the edge a little bit, so it blends in with the other shades as well. Okay, so now we're gonna go into a shimmer shade for the rest of our eyelid. Okay, so all the shimmer shades are so pretty, but the one I'm gonna use is called Bang Bang. This one right here is called Bang Bang. And it's like, I feel like it's like the pink shimmer shade in the eyeshadow palette. Let me show you, I'm just gonna quickly show you guys on my finger. Yeah, I think it'll work. I'm going to use my ring finger just to get the shade on my eyelid. Wow, that is really pretty. Now I'm going to be using a really small brush, and I'm gonna pick up some of that shade and just put it in the inner corner of my eye because it's hard to reach that place, that area with my finger. I'm gonna go back into that dark shade called Privacy, this one right here, and I feel like I lost that shade a little bit. I'm going to bring it back a little bit more. I'm gonna bring it back and blend it out with that shimmer shade. Just taking my big blending brush and just blending out the edges everywhere so it looks seamless. Alright guys, so I'm going to do the other eye and I'm going to do the rest of my face except the lips, and I will be right back. Alright guys, that comes to the end of today's makeup tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. And yeah, I had a lot of fun doing this eye look, guys. I'll show you guys one more time. I think it came out really pretty, especially this pink lip, guys. I'm really obsessing over this pink lip, like totally. So if you guys are in the market for a new eyeshadow palette, check this one out, guys, by Urban Decay. It's the Naked Cherry palette. I did get it for half price on their website. Urban Decay once in a while has really good, like really great sales, so keep an eye out on that. And yeah, pick up an eyeshadow palette if you're in the market for one. Anyways guys, that is all I've got to say for today. And another thing, the next time I see you on my channel, it will be the new year. It's gonna be 2021. Let's all hope and pray for a better year together. Anyways guys, take care of yourselves and see you later. Mwah. Bye.